Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to fix no module name Numpy. So here, if I open this place command prompt, now if I try to this place Python minus minus version, then you can see this is the latest version Python 3.14.2 that install. Right there Python. Now there I'm going to import this Numpy package. Right there, paste. So here you can see module not found error, no module name, numpy. So this error that's getting there. To fix this, here, let's open this place command prompt. There, if I write pip minus minus version, then you can see this is the version. 25.3 is the latest version that install. Thereafter here, let's install there pip install numpy. Press enter. So if you get error like this, no module name, then here you need to install this Numpy. So this is now currently downloading. Total size 12.4 MB. Now installing corrected package. So this here is download part that done. Now install that also done. Right there, Python or this place. Then if you use this code again, so paste this one. So there is no any problem this times. Now let's uh, use the next part of the code. So next part, press enter. Now here on this array 1 to 3 is given, so print ARR 1 to 3 is now printing. So this is how we can fix this no module name numpy. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.